everyone, good morning. It is Sunday. I don't know what the day is. It's like January 25th, 6th, something like that. Maybe it's the 27th. I think it's the 27th. It's really the 27th. Oh my god. I've been here for almost a month. That's insane. Today, I am doing a tour of Hampton Court. This is the company that I've been doing all my tours with, like when I go to Paris and stuff like that. I'm gonna bring you along with me. Right now I'm walking to the train station, and I'm gonna take the train to Waterloo. And then from Waterloo, I'm gonna take the subway system to Embankment Tube to meet the tour guide. Alright, so I got my Starbucks, just got a macchiato with like a sausage roll. Heading to the underground now to head to Embankment Tube to meet the tour group. I'm really early, but that's okay. Okay, so I'm here at Embankment Station. I'm like 20 minutes early. I'm waiting for, I don't even know who. We're gonna find out. You probably can't even see it, but like the skyline is just gorgeous. All the buildings. We're in Hampton Court now, and we're in the kitchen, and this is how they use the stuff. So there's oranges and there's cinnamon, and then here's all the fake food. They have like projectors and stuff to like kind of reenact how it used to be, but the wind is really cold outside, so everyone's like by the fire. So now we're in the maze at Hampton Court, and oh, there's a bird. Let's hope we don't get lost. We'll probably be stuck here, probably will die here, but it's all good. Hey guys, so I got back from Hampton Court a couple hours ago. I was exhausted and I fell asleep and took a nap. Shocker. But it might seem like I take naps a lot, but I really haven't. I've maybe taken like 4 naps since I've gotten here. And the reason why I always vlog when I'm going to take a nap is because I only vlog when I do stuff, and obviously after I do stuff I'm going to be tired. So Hampton Court was absolutely amazing. I know quite a bit about Henry VIII and like his 6 wives, so I was really excited to go and like see where he lived. Our tour guide was absolutely hysterical. He was awesome. If you ever come to Europe, I don't know if it's all over Europe or if it's just like England based, but it's called somewherenew.com. They're amazing. I'm doing all my tours to them. Definitely check them out. Hashtag not sponsored, but it should be. But I definitely got some new decorations for my wall. I got Henry and his 6 wives, and then I got Hampton Court, and I got a postcard of Henry VIII because I'm cultured. I ordered from an app called Deliveroo. It's like, I think it's just here. I'm not exactly sure, but I heard it's like cheaper than Uber Eats. Well, instead my order was delivered and the guy was nowhere to be found. So I called, and I guess they're gonna send me a new one. They said he couldn't find it, but there was literally another delivery driver, like, because I was gonna go try and find him. Maybe he was just like sitting at the entrance. He wasn't. So I found another delivery driver, and he was like, yeah, sometimes they just say delivered it and then they leave just to get the money, and I'm like, interesting. So I called, and they're sending me a new one, and I'm really mad about it because I'm starving, and I ordered it like an hour and a half ago. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna edit videos. I probably won't do homework even though I really should. But thank you for tuning in to another boring vlog. I'm mainly doing these vlogs because I want to like look back in 10 years, hopefully YouTube's still around, and see what I was doing, like what I saw, because I probably won't remember everything. So that's why I'm doing this, and I'm having a lot of fun, except I'm literally 2 months behind on vlogs, so I'm gonna try and edit a video tonight. I will see you guys on the next one. Update. She came. Yes, I'm eating in bed. No, don't judge me.